Now we will see the ribosomes. So you can see this is the diagram of a ribosome, and this ribosome has a large subunit and a small subunit. Large subunit is called as large subunit because it has a large structure, so it is called as a large subunit. And there is a small subunit called as a small subunit. Why small? Because it has a small structure. First of all, I will tell you basic thing about ribosomes, and basic thing is that these ribosomes are the protein factories. Why it is called as a protein factories? Because ribosome synthesis the protein. In a Golgi complex, in a endoplasmic reticulum, we have seen the protein synthesis. So how it synthesis the protein? Reason behind this: how protein gets synthesis? With the help of a genetic information. They means ribosomes. Ribosome uses the genetic information which ultimately help in a synthesis of this protein. And this ribosomes made up of a ribosomal RNA and the protein. And this ribosome will don't have any covering, double membrane, single membrane, outer membrane, inner membrane, don't have like that particular membranes around them. And these ribosomes produce proteins, that is a these ribosomes produces the proteins, that means it synthesis the proteins, so it is called as a protein factories. And these proteins after get transported this out of the cell, and it will processing in the endoplasmic reticulum and the Golgi complex. And these free ribosomes get together and forms the particular chain and will called as a polyribosomes. And after that chain will create, after that protein synthesis will occur. And this small subunit and large subunit get connected. That is a large subunit is a one piece of a ribosome, and small subunit is also one piece of a ribosome, and these both subunit get connected or attached to each other, and after that it will create a chain and called as a polyribosome, and it will get started to synthesis the protein. Okay. And these ribosomes have a particular types like 70S ribosome, 18S rRNA, 16S rRNA, 30S subunit and 50S subunit. This small subunit will be 30S in a prokaryotic and 80S in a eukaryotic. And this large subunit will be a 50S subunit in eukaryote and 60S subunit in a eukaryotes. And all over complete ribosome will be a 70S in prokaryotes and 80S in a eukaryotes. So main function of the ribosome is the synthesis of a protein.